So that's my challenge for you today. My challenge for you today is to take those 4 core attributes of a superhero and put them into practice here at the Quest Conference Center. There's a great name for a superhero kind of event, the Quest Conference Center, because you're on a quest today. So your quest is to take a few risks. Exhibit some of that courage that we talked about. Make sure that you are putting yourself out there. You're not holding back. Make sure that you are sharing some of yourself with other people today, as scary and vulnerable as that may seem. This is a pretty kind, gentle bunch of people, I think. So if you can't be safe and courageous in this room, I'm not sure exactly where you could be. So this is a really good time to practice that kind of courage. You're here trying to build new skills. You're trying to build up confidence in yourself. So find something today that helps you believe in yourself even more, that helps you stand a little more firmly in who you are, that lets you be even more authentic to that person that you know that is inside of you. Make sure that today you absorb some new information or you find a new skill that you want to pursue that will increase your capability. And then today, you have a unique opportunity to contribute. Because today isn't about the people on stage or in the breakout rooms. Today is all about you. You'll get some information from those people, but it's really in the sharing that happens between people at a conference like this. That's where the magic really happens. So your opportunity to contribute doesn't happen when you walk out the doors and go back home or go back to wherever you're from, whatever city you're from. It can happen right here today. You've got 300 people in the room that may need your superpower in some way, whatever it happens to be. So don't be afraid to use your superpowers. Don't be afraid to help and contribute with other people. Make sure you share your thoughts and ideas as you go through the conference today, because that will make a difference. That is your mission today, if you choose to accept it.